Hi, so in this video, we are going to do a simple task of web scraping using BeautifulSoup library and Python. So for this, we will see the Dharani Portal of the Telangana Govt and especially this land detail search. Yeah, here as we can see, there's a drop down of district to select. We select any district. Then for each district, there's a mandal. And after mandal, there's a list of village for each mandal, and then we get a list of survey number. So in today's video, we will frame our Python code such that we will first extract all district and for each district mandal and villages and also survey number, and we will facilitate the user to select any district, mandal and village. Then we will provide a list of survey number to them. So let's start. So for that, first we will install the library, request library and BeautifulSoup. Request is for HTTP calls and BeautifulSoup for web scraping. So install. Okay, after installation, we will import this library. Now, first of all, we want a list of district. So we will use this URL for that. And we will paste it here. So here we are making an HTTP call using a GET request. So now we will pass this value to be using BeautifulSoup. In HTML parser. Yeah. So if it so yeah. So this is the content which I get. Okay, if we prettify it. Yeah. So in this content, we only want the list of district. Yeah, here. So our district's value are under the select tag in this class, and under this there's a option value. All these are our district. So we want only this. So we will do soup.find. Select in class just one. Yeah, and we want the children of it. Yeah, so this is a list iterator. Now we will loop to print a list of all district. So navigable string and tag are contained under this page element, but navigable string doesn't have any content. So we will continue in this case. Means we will skip that. And we are only interested in tag because the content is in their tag. So what we are going to do, that we are making a dictionary to store the ID of the district as a key, and we will store the name of the district as a content. So first we want to extract these value, which is a ID of the district. So index I, and we want the value. But we don't want this first one, 0, because this is not the district ID. This is only for please select text. So if index equals to 0, then continue. Okay. And also we want, so in this index we will get the ID of the district. Now we want the name of the district, so we will use the strip function. Yeah, of course we want dictionary. Yeah, here's a dictionary. In as a key there's an index, which is the ID of the district, and as a value there's a content, which is the name of the district. Yeah, so here this is a list of other district. Now we want the list of mandal corresponding to each district. So when we select any district, then we get this URL. This is for the mandal. So this is a list of the mandal. So we want this URL to know the list of mandals corresponding to this district. And similarly for every district there's a different URL. The difference is only in the last, the ID. Okay, and when we select any mandal, then we get this URL. This is for the list of the villages. And similarly when we select any village, then we get the list of our survey number. So we want these, and so this URL. So now we will make a function to extract the data from all these URL. Okay, so URL can be anything, maybe for district, mandal and village. So if type equals to district, then URL will be, if we select any district, then we get this URL. This is for the mandal. So we get a list of mandals. Yeah, we have to generalize it. Now if type equals to mandal, then URL will be like this type. Yeah, similarly for that. If type equals to village, when we select any village, then we get this URL. So here we will get a list of survey number. ID is here. Yeah. Now we will make a HTTP call similarly as ever. URL can be for anything. Now use BeautifulSoup, and we will pass this. Now here if we see this code, then these values are under the body tag, and similarly for that body tag, these all villages. And here for all mandals, this list is under the body tag. So the main content which we want, the list is under the body tag. So we want only the body of the extracted text. Okay, so soup.find. And it is under the option value, in the option value, so children. Yeah, now we will loop. So this is all similar to our ID. Yeah, of course, if index equals to 0, then continue. And yeah, we have to make a dictionary to store all these. Okay, name it mapping. Oh, we have to I dot string dot strip to extract the content. That is the name of the mandal or village or the survey number. So this is our function. So when we give the URL of this type, means and type is district, then we will get a list of mandal, and we will give the type of type mandal, then we will get a list of villages, and when we will give this URL like for village, then we will get a list of survey number. Okay, and last we will return this dictionary. Okay. Invalid syntax. Oh. Yeah. Now first of all, we will display a list of district to the user so that he can select any district ID from this. So for I in districts. Sorry, ID. Yeah, so this is the list of districts. So user can select any district ID from this. Okay, so Let's suppose we select district ID 1. Okay, so we have stored the district ID in D. Now we want the list of mandals corresponding to this district ID. So now we will use the above get content function, and when we give type as a district and ID of the district, then we will get the list of mandals. So we will get a list of mandals using this function. ID is T and the type is district. Okay, this is due to this. Oh, sorry. It should be ID. It is not I, it is ID. And okay, solve error. Now we get the list of mandals. Let's print it. Like this. Okay, so this is a list of mandal corresponding to the selected district. Now we want the list of villages when the user will select any mandal from this. So let's give the choice to the user M. Please select any mandal ID. Okay, let's suppose we select ID number 1. Okay, now we want a list of villages corresponding to this mandal ID 1. So we want villages using get content. ID will be M and type will be district. Sorry, mandal. Then we will get a list of villages. Yeah, after that we will print our code, our list of villages. Okay, so this is a list of village corresponding to the selected mandal ID, which was 1. Now we want survey number. if user select any village from this. So any village ID. Let's suppose we select this one. 8. Okay. Now we have the selected village ID. So what we have done, first we show the list of district, then user select any district from this district ID, then corresponding to that district ID we display the list of mandals, then user select any mandal from it, and then corresponding to that selected mandal we display the list of villages. So in this way user selected by choice their village, mandal and districts. Now we will display the survey number corresponding to these value. So we want survey number. We want survey number, and we will use this function again. As an ID we will give V and type will be village. Okay, now we will print it. Survey number. Oh, my thought. Yeah. Yeah, we will display only this. Yeah. So this is a list of survey number that the user want corresponding to the selected village. So this is our task. We have extracted first all the villages, then we have make a function to extract the corresponding mandal, village and survey number, and during this function we have extracted all these value when the user selected district, village and the mandal of their choice. So this is the simple task using BeautifulSoup library and Python. I hope you like it. Please like and share. Bye bye.